Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Sahiti Pamati. I'm pursuing my master's in the stream of data science at University of North Texas. So today I have written summary of the paper mining data streams, and here is the summary. Um, and we all know that from the recent advances in hardware and software, they have like different measures have been enabled for the data in wide range of fields. So these measurements are generated continuously and in a very high fluctuating rates. So this is all about like finding patterns for this continuous data using mining data streams. So this paper have provided information on data stream mining, numerous fields including sensor networks, online logs, and other sources regularly produce enormous amount of data. Data mining is used to find patterns from large data sets. So finding patterns and representing the model from the non-stop data is done through mining data streams. To address the communication overhead issues, client or server, mobile agent-based or hybrid solutions have been suggested. The resulting global model's correctness have been improved through the development of many algorithm modifications. Data stream analysis theoretical foundations have been reviewed by the author. Theoretical computer science and statistics serve as the foundation for the suggested techniques. And data stream mining methods can be divided into two categories. The one is task-based and the other is database techniques. So let me tell you what exactly is the task-based and the database techniques are. Okay, so the database techniques is an idea to examine only a subset of whole data set or to transform the data vertically or horizontally to an appropriate smaller size of representation. And while coming to the task-based techniques is from computational theory have been adapted to achieve time and space efficient solutions. That's the difference between task-based and database techniques. And numerous grouping, classification, frequency counting, and time series analysis techniques have been created based on these two groups, based on the database techniques and the task-based techniques. And systems have been put into place so that these strategies can be applied in actual situations. And he also have listed and spoke about the research issues. So let me tell you some of the research issues like model overfitting and the data stream computational formalization, the formalization of real-time accuracy evolution, data stream mining technology, data stream pre-processing, the need of real-world applications, the integration between data stream management systems and the ubiquitous data stream mining approaches, interactive mining environment to satisfy user requirements, handling the continuous flow of data streams, developing algorithms of mining results, visualization of data mining results on small screen and mobile devices, modeling changes for mining results over time, transferring data mining results over a wireless network with a limited bandwidth, required result accuracy, minimizing energy consumption of the mobile device, unbounded memory requirement due to the continuous flow of data streams. These are addressed to develop robust systems that can satisfy the requirements of data stream mining applications. So, coming to the critical analysis, I pretty much understood the paper. So after reading an abstract, I have come to the idea what exactly the author have explained in this paper. So the author did a fantastic job of outlining the database and mining techniques of data streams. Additionally, he addressed the theoretical foundation as well. So I really appreciate how the author brought up the research ideas, and also the issues within the paper itself. The concept of modeling the model using continuously created data sources is a fascinating one in this paper. The author used numerous publications as a source and covered each one along with the updated method from other article. And he also have taken reference from the other article where you can find knowledge from different articles at the same place. That's a very good part of this paper. And this document contains many algorithms that different writers have suggested. By creating the algorithms while taking the problems into account, this can be further improved. And if I had written this paper, I'd have discussed what I have read and comprehended first. And then after stating my ideas and whatever I have understood, then I would have included a reference like the other algorithms that was written by other authors. And I learned so much new, so new information from this paper. So I now know that what kind of algorithms can be created using classification, frequency analysis, time series analysis, and clustering. So, for instance, I have seen a article that was written by Papadimi Rao et al. And its arbitrary window tree modeling method that have been published with the aim of extracting interesting patterns from sensors. They developed one-pass techniques to gradually update the patterns. The methods only requires log n memory, where n is the length of the sequence. They conducted research using real and fictitious data sets. Coming to the questions that I have got while studying this paper are so there is this like there is this writer who have developed VFDT. His name is Domingos. So it is actually a decision tree learning system. So it splits the tree using the current best attribute, taking into consideration that the number of examined data sets you satisfied a statistical measure. My doubt is that obviously random forest algorithm does the same thing as that of the VFDT. It does take the best tree from the decision trees, right? Like random forest is like a combination of decision trees, while VFDT takes the best thing. So I think like random forest is better than that of VFDT because it takes the decisions from all the trees. Why didn't he use random forest? Why did he has to like implement VFDT? That's my question. And also the other question is, so what happens? He said in a sliding window, the concerned data is taken from the latest versions of data, and also the summary of the old data. So what if the concerned data isn't in the old data items that have been summarized, but instead it is in the center, or that isn't mentioned in there? That's my question. So these are my references. Thank you. Thank you so much.